Good morning, everyone. Last class, we completed garbage collection, right? Hope you all practiced. Any questions? No questions, sir? Online students? Okay, today let us understand packages, import, and jar file. Package, import, and jar file. These three concepts, let us try to understand. Array we will discuss after packages. Tell me what is a package? Array Abhishek, are you not hearing? I said after that I will teach, right? After packages, I'll teach array item, right? So listen. So tell me, what is a package? What is a package? Package is a collection of classes. Super. Next question number 2. Why package? A package is used for collecting classes. Correct? What is a package? A group of classes. Why package? A package is used for collecting classes. Maintain modularity. At what level modularity? Modularity is at logic level, not classes level. Now tell me. What is a package? Why package? You are giving answer same. Collection of classes, noun form. Collecting classes, verb form. Both are same answer here. Then what is a package? Package is used for collecting classes. Then what is a package? Tell me, what is a bag? What is a bag? Bag. A bag is a bag. It is used for bagging. A bag is a container. Correct. What the use of bag? Bag is used for collecting the things as a group to take from one place to another place. Now tell me, like same way, what is a package? A package is a collection of classes, means it is also what? Container. But you should not say container. It is a folder. According to operating system, what is package? A package is a folder. A package is a folder, which is, can I call every folder is a package? No. If you want to call package as a folder, the folder name must be linked to a class in the Java file. Okay, a package is a folder which is linked to a class in the Java file. How can you link? By using the keyword package. By using the keyword package. Understand? Now, what the use of package? Why package? A package is used for collecting classes. Okay, in another form also we can say a package is a, okay, because everybody is saying collection of classes. Let us also use the same thing. A package is a collection of classes, full stop. It is a folder. Okay, it is a folder which is linked to a class in the Java file by using the keyword package. Then why package? A package is used for organizing related classes and interfaces. Hope you understand interfaces means? Interfaces means declarations or implementations. Declarations. A package is used for organizing related classes and interfaces as one group for easy maintenance. And for easy maintenance means for easily finding the classes. For easily finding classes based on functionality. Based on functionality. And it is also used for creating multiple classes with same name and further used for solving name conflict problem. Okay. What the purposes of package? Two purposes are there. It is used for organizing related classes and interfaces as a one group, for easily finding classes based on their functionality. And next, it is also used for creating multiple classes with same name and further used for solving name conflict problem. For example, tell me, in your classroom, there are two students are there with the same name, say Hari Krishna. How can you differentiate first student from second student? By using surname. That surname is nothing but packaging. Okay. Can two people can have same name? Yes. Then how can I differentiate one student from other student? By using the surname. Okay. That surname is nothing but what? Package. Okay. Let me take, for example, in every project, we will have a different type of functionalities. Okay, what are the functionalities? Number one, POJO. POJO means plain old Java object, POJO or Bean. Okay, nothing but data storing class. POJO is nothing but data storing class. Second, we have class called DAO, data access object, means database accessing classes. Number three, controller. Okay, controller. Controller is nothing but the class that takes the input and decide which functionality to execute. The functionality is where it will be there, service. Okay, service. Service classes contains what? Different logics. Okay, and controller is nothing but the class that decides based on the input which service should execute. Okay, inserts, I can say login service, registration service, delete service, update service, which service you have to execute on the database. That logic will be provided in the service class, and controller class is decides which service to call. That service will decide which query should be executed on the database, and that among these three classes, the data will be carried by this POJO class. POJO class is nothing but our data type class, student class, employee class, bank account class, all are called what? POJO. And the classes which are interacting with the database for storing the student data available in the student object is nothing but DAO. Okay. Then next, also we have something called UI classes. Okay. Nowadays, UI classes we are not developing in Java. We are developing in HTML. But olden days, we are also having the package called what? I mean, the classes called UI classes developed in Java only. And also we have helper classes, helper or utility classes. Okay, the common functionality for all these classes, there will be some common logic required. The common logic required classes are stored in what we call them as helper classes or utility classes we call. So totally, how many different kinds of classes we will develop in the project? 6 types of classes. And also we will have exceptions. Exceptions nothing but the runtime errors. So totally these 7 types of classes we will have. Then all these 7 types of classes all these below 7 functionality classes, we must organize them as one folder or as a separate folders. Now, come on, think and tell me. All these below 7 functionality classes must be organized in one folder or must be organized in separate folders, sir. Separate folders. What is the problem if you organize all in a single folder? Because if you organize all in a single folder, if your project manager call you and say, "Arey, some DO database query you change," then I have to search for the class in the entire 1 lakh classes. It's easy, na difficult? Difficult. So if I say, if I create all the database interacting classes in the DO package, then is it easy for you go to the DO package and access the classes? Na? So what is the good idea? Organize them into separate folders or packages. According to operating system, folders. According to Java, packages. Separate packages as below. Tell me, Pojo contains star.java and also contains what? Star.class. Okay, star.class and star.java file. Now tell me, again, in the DAO also, service also, controller also, UI also, helper also, exceptions also. So we are going to organize the classes as part of the folders. So this style of organization will be easy for the developer to identify the classes and also easy for protecting the members which package classes should access or not access. For example, if we create all classes in a single folder, tell me, by if can you control this Java file, access this Java file or not? No, you cannot control. So if you create these classes inside packages, I can control by using accessibility modifiers chapter. By using accessibility modifier, default protected public, I can control which class should be accessible from other classes or not, we can. So the advantage of, what are the advantages of packages? What are the advantages of package? For number one, we can separate, we can organize classes as groups based on their functionality. Second, we can solve naming conflict problems. And third, we can set access level permissions at package level. Um, this example is, if all people are living in a same house, can you control the people who what to take, what not to take? No. If you separate the people in separate houses, can I control them? Yes. Okay. Package level by using accessibility modifiers. Okay. Then fourth, it is easy for finding classes. Last point. Okay. These are the advantages. And next, fifth one, tell me, how can we create the package? Tell me, how can I create a package? We can create package by using the keyword package. What is the syntax? What is the syntax? Keyword package and following by package name. For example, package P1. Okay, package P1. Next, very, very important. What is the naming convention for package name? Can I choose package name however I like? Yes. Okay. But what is the convention? Convention means suggestion. What is the naming convention or suggestion for a package name? Or okay, its name must reflect group name. Okay, na? Its name must refer group name because it's meant for grouping. Na? Second, all characters must be in lowercase. Third, it must be as short as possible. Its name must be as short as possible. Its name must be as short as possible for reading purpose. Okay. And very, very important, as per project, the project name must be as below. Company web domain name reverse. Company web domain name reverse dot main functionality dot subfunction. Main functionality dot subfunctionality. Okay. For example, company, what is the company? Naresh IT. What the company web domain means? Naresh IT website name. nareshit.com. Reverse. What the reverse? com.nareshit. Dot. Main functionality. What the main functionality? Let's say HK class. HK class. Inside HK class, what the topic we are learning? Core Java. com.nit.hk.core Java. Okay. In the full stack Java development.core Java. So like this, we have to create the package. Now this com is called what? Parent package. Then dot before it is called subpackage, 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 subpackage like this. Then what is the folder structure? Folder structure. First, what is the folder will be there? Com. Inside com, what will be there? Narration. Inside narration, what is there? HK. Inside HK, what do you call FSJD? Inside FSJD, core Java. So like this is the package folder structure. This is a folder structure will be created. And if you come to the project structure, com.nit.hk.blogic.avo, business logic avo. This is the package. Okay, of course, here I should write package. semicolon. And here also we should write what? Package, semicolon. And then tell me what the folder structure. Now first what will be there? Com, com.nit.hk. What is there? Blogic dot AO, arithmetic operations. And here in core Java, we will have star dot Java file and star dot class files. Okay. And here we will have star dot Java files and star dot class files. So this is the folder structure naming convention. Can hope all people understand what we discussed. What is a package? A package is a collection of classes. It is a folder. Why package? For grouping classes. For example, let me remove this for example. Project functionalities and packages. As part of the project, how many functionalities are there? 7 functionalities are there. Based on the functionalities, we will create the package name. And next, what are the advantages of the package? The main advantage of package is grouping classes. Number 2, naming conflict, solving naming conflict. And number 3, organizing the classes based on the function. Number 3, setting accessibility permissions at package level, stopping other classes to access your classes. Okay, how can we create package? By using the keyword package. What the syntax for creating package? Package name. So what is the naming convention for creating package? Web domain name reverse plus web domain reverse dot main functionality dot sub functional. Okay, now the next point we need to understand sample program. Now initially we are taking small code. Now tell me what you write here. Class already there. So I'm writing what? Package P1. Semicolon. Now here P1 is what? Package name. According to Java, P1 is the package. According to operating system, P1 is the folder. According to operating system, P1 is the folder. Okay, class, I am writing here the name, example, save. I'm creating a folder here called package. Inside the package, I'm saving the Java file name, example.java. Now, all the people tell me, is this folder a package? Is a package? No, this is just a folder. Why it is just a folder? Why are you not calling as a package? Because we have not used this name package in our Java file with the keyword package. So that's why it is not a package. Save it. Open command prompt. Don't use edit plus to compile and execute. Open command. Clear string cd. Java C example.java. Currently, what are the different files available? Let's see. /f is the command for seeing the files. In the present working directory, we have only one file called example.java. Java C example.java, and I compile. Now tell me background in the folder. Let me open folder also. Background in the folder package. Is the package P1 created? If I compile it, definitely dot class file created now. Inside this file, I have a class called example. For the class, dot class file created. For the package, is a folder created? Come on, everyone should answer. For the class, dot class file is created. For the folder. Is the package folder P1 created? Yes or no? Guess. Look at that. Created or not created? Not created. P1 folder created or not created? That means the keyword package doesn't create the package. Then what will it do? Just observe. Java P. Is it working? No. Set path equal to C:/ Java P example. Observe what happened. In the dot class file, package P1 statement is available or not available? Not available. What happened? The package P1 is linked to the class name. What the definition I told you, what is a package? A package is a folder that is linked to the key, that is linked to the class available in this Java file. Okay, again repeating, a folder is a package that is linked to the class in the Java file by using the keyword package. Who is linking? Are you linking a compiler linking a compiler linking? So package P1, when you write, the keyword package by default doesn't create the folder. Rather, it will link the package name to the class name. So what are the changes happen in the dot class file? If we create package in the Java file, in the dot class file, package statement is not available. The class name changed to what? Package name dot class name. So tell me, what is the full name of the class example? Is it example or package name dot example? Package name dot example. Not only the class, constructor name is also what? Package name dot exam. So wherever you want to use the class name, either for a class or for a constructor or for creating object, what I have to use? Class name, package name dot class name you have to use. Okay. Then now the question, how can I create the package folder then? If we use a regular syntax for compiling Java file, package folder is not created. So delete example.class file, clear screen, Java C. You have to use one special syntax. I should ask the compiler, please create the directory with the name P1. For that, there are some options available here. To talk to the compiler software, we have several options. What the full syntax for compiling Java program? Java C space, options space, source files, where possible options include @file name, -a key, like this. If you go down, observe, there is an option called what? -d space directory. Specify where to place generated class files. Specify where to place generated class files. Okay. So what is the full syntax for creating classes with a package? The syntax is Java C space -d space where you want generated the package in the present working directory. Present working directory representing is what? Dot. Present working directory representing symbol is what? Dot. Dot space example.java. Observe, program is compiled and package folder created. Inside package folder, example.class file is saved. Clear my point? So if you wanted to generate the package and if you want to place your .class file in that package, what the full syntax? Java C space -d space dot space example.java. And then now how to execute? Can I execute this class with a regular syntax? Java space example? No. Compiler JVM throw error, could not find or load main class, because example class is available in the present working directory in the P1 directory. P1 directory. And what is the full name of the example? Is it example or package name dot? What do you write? Java P1 dot example. Now the program is executed. So what is the important point? If you want to compile packaged Java file, you have to use -d dot. If you want to execute packaged class, you must use what? Fully qualified name. What the fully qualified name? Package name dot class. If I use only example, you will get runtime error. If I use a package name, means fully qualified name. If I use, it is compiled, it is executed. Let me try to make these points in the notes. Tell me, sample program to create class with a package. Then tell me, What is the compilation and execution procedure? Ninth point, compilation and execution procedure. Tell me, what is the procedure to compile and execute? We cannot compile and execute a packaged class with regular syntax. What is the regular syntax? This is command prompt, okay? Command prompt, Java C example dot Java. What the problem here? Here the problem is package folder P1 is not created. Only example.class file is created. Next, command prompt Java example. Here the problem is JVM throws exception. Why? Because the class name is not example. What its name? Its name is P1.x. Okay. If I write Java P1.example, again JVM throws exception because the folder with the name P1 is not found. Okay, then the right syntax for creating, for compiling and executing a packaged class is what the right syntax? Java space, sorry, Java C space -d space dot example dot Java. Then what happened here? First, package P1 created. Inside package P1, example dot class file is created. Understand? What is the point here? Package folder P1 is created. Inside P1, example.class file is created. Save. All these syntaxes are seen. There is no new point in the program creation with the package. The new point is only one line. What is the extra point you are learning? This compilation procedure is the extra point. Understand? Compilation procedure extra point, and advantages creating a class with a package is the extra point. Remaining all points are known points only. Okay. Now tell me. Inside P1 folder example.class is saved. Very important. In the above command, -d is the Java C command option to tell the compiler or to instruct the compiler to create a folder with the package name. Next, the dot refers to the present working directory. PW means directory in which we want to save this package folder and its dot class. Okay, now? So this is the syntax for compilation. Then what the syntax for execution? CMD Java space P1 dot exam. Then main method executed, output is hello. For executing a class, we must use fully qualified name, meaning package name dot class. That's all about package concept. Can I expect everyone understand? Online students? Sure, try yourself in your system. Tell me answer tomorrow. Next one. What is a sub package? Tell me what is a sub package? A package that is created inside another package is called sub package. Right? A folder created in another folder is called what? Subfolder. The parent package for the use of sub package. Now, what is sub package? It is used for representing sub functionalities of a main function. Control Shift L. Use Control Shift L. Line numbers are enabled. Okay. For example, B logic is the parent package. AO is the sub package. Okay. And then how to create? How can we create? Sub package. What is the syntax for creating sub package? Sub packages are created by using the keyword package. Package. First, what you write? Parent package dot sub package. For example, package b logic dot what a. Then what the folder structure? B logic. Inside what is there? A. What is sample program to create sub package? Tell me how to write the code. Package p1 dot p2. P1 is the parent package, P2 is the sub package. Now I'm taking file name as what? Sample. Main method, same hello. Save with the name sample.java. Save. Tell me, what is the procedure to compile? What is the name of the Java file? Sample.java. For the fourth point, compilation execution procedure. Any change or no change? Same as parent package compilation. Command from Java space -d dot sample.java. What happened here? First P1 created, inside P1, P2 created, inside P2, sample dot class is created. Next execution, how to execute? Java fully qualified name, P1 dot, P2 dot, sam. Then we'll get output. Hello. Let us see the story. Go to command prompt, clear screen. Already we have the package P1, na? Any problem? If package is already available, -d will create the package again, just need to copy the dot class file. Java C -d dot sample dot Java. Refresh. Look at the folder structure clearly. example.java, notes.txt, sample. These Java files we create. Then after compilation example.java, we have already P1 example. After compiling sample.java, P1 already available. So P2 is a copy. In P2, sample.class file is created. Clear my point? Now how to execute Java Java space P1.example. To execute example, I have to use only package P1. Now to execute sample, sample is available in which package? P2. P2 is available in which package? P1. P1.P2.sample. Okay. So what is package? What is sub package? What is the use of parent package? What is the use of sub package? All points are clearly understood. Clear? Now there is a one horrible point is there. Is it possible to answer this question? Is it possible to save the package and dot class file in different folder? My question understand? For example, we have folder d:/. Okay, some folder core Java / packages. Here I have example.class. Now I am compiling it. CMD Java C -d dot example dot Java. Then what happened? In this folder, what happened? P1 package created, and here example.class file is created. But my requirement is, I don't want to save it here. After compilation, the P1 folder I want to create in C:/test folder. From this compilation, in a C:/test folder, I want to save the package and dot class file. Is it possible or not possible? Possible. In place of dot, what I should write? C:/test. Where you want to save your class, where you want to save your package, that package folder name you have to mention there. Java C -d C:/test example.java, you have to write like this. Understand? Now, is it possible to save? Answer is what? Yes, possible. Now, further, what should I do? We must mention or we must specify the folder name or folder path in which we want to save this package. Now tell me, Java file is available here and dot class file is available. So is it clear? Let me show you that. Now I am deleting the package here, P1. I have example.java file open, or else. Okay. Here, what am I doing? I'm taking here C:/, from C:/, test folder. Save it. Okay. Now look at here, clear screen, Java C -d dot example dot Java. Open this folder and check. Look at there. Dot class file created. What? Dot. Dot means what? Present direct. Now I'm deleting it. Now dot place what I am asking you to write. Where you want to save? In C:. In C drive where? In test folder. Look at there here. P1 directory not created. Go to C drive. In C drive, look at their test folder created. Na? In a test folder, P1 is created. In P1, example dot. Let me show you again. Delete. Clear screen. Java C -d C:/, tester example dot Java. Because test folder created, inside test folder, P1 is created, inside P1, example dot class is there. Now my question is, I want to execute this class. I saved the package in a different folder. I want to execute from the same present working directory. Is it possible or not? Is it possible or not possible? I created package in different folder, but want to access from the present working directory. Is it possible or not possible? Understand my question? 16th question. If we save the package in different folder, is it possible to access? Is it possible to access? From present working directory? That means my question is, how can we? Oh, let me take the separate question. What is the answer? Yes or no? No? Yes, but not directly. What should we do? We must set class path. We must set class path environment variable with this package with this package path. Okay, with this package path. Then our question is what? How can we access the classes from one folder to another folder? Okay, answer same. We must say class path with that folder name, with that. With that folder path. Okay. How to set class path? What the syntax? 18th question. How can we set class path? How can we set class path? Very important. We can set class path in 5 ways. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Sir, yenni నేర్చుకోవాలా sir? Should I learn all these things? Want a job? Then learn. You don't want job? Then don't. Simple. How to set class path? By using Java C or Java option hyphen. Okay, if you feel 5 ways and it's difficult, you can make it as 3 ways. Java C or Java options hyphen CP or hyphen class path or hyphen hyphen class hyphen path. Class hyphen path. Okay. So there are three options are there, shortcuts of each other. Hyphen CP, hyphen class path, hyphen hyphen class hyphen path. Okay, you can take it as a one option or take it as a three option. Your wish. Or second way is what? By using set class path, set class path command. Number three, by using permanent settings in system environment variables. Okay, so there are three ways. So totally how many ways are there? Permanent spelling corrector. PRMANEM. So by using permanent settings in system environment variables, let us try to learn one by one. What is the first command? Open command prompt. And here you have to use, if I directly write Java space p1 dot example. First, what is the command you have run? Java C space hyphen D space C:/test example dot Java. Okay. Then if you run after this, if you run directly Java p1 dot example, compiler will throw error. Why? C:// in the test folder, what is there? P1. In P1, what is there? Example dot class. Okay. Now, what am I doing? I am running Java P1 dot example. Then if you run Java P1 dot example, it is searching for the P1 package wherein present working directory. Okay, but where it is available in C:/test folder. Then what is the solution? I have to set class path. In the command prompt, I should run, sorry. I have to use the first option, option number one. Option number one, by using hyphen CP or hyphen class path or hyphen class hyphen path. Now, first one. What do you write now? Java space. In place of hyphen D, what I write? Hyphen CP space from where you want to access C:/test. And what the class name? P1 dot exam. So what is the difference between hyphen D and hyphen CP? Hyphen D create the package, hyphen CP create package, access the package. Access the package from this folder. Hyphen D will tell where to create. Hyphen CP will tell from where to access. Okay. Then we will get output here from C:/test folder. Okay. Next, what is the next option? Java C hyphen class path. Now same output we will get. No difference. Third one, just shortcut, that's it. Hyphen CP is the shortcut. Hyphen class hyphen path, same output we will get. Let us try to check these points in the system. And now Java P1 example, we got error, could not find or load main class. Where is it available? In C:/test. What is the command I should write? Java space hyphen D na hyphen CP, hyphen CP. From where you want access? Test X P1 dot example. Spelling mistake. Look at there from C:/. Okay, /t is taking as a escape sequence character. Again, compiling. Then execute directly, we will get exception. Then execute with -cp option. Executed. Or I can also use -cp place full sentence class path. Also same one. Okay. And next, I am using hyphen class path. We also get same. So any of the three we can use, but generally we will use what? -cp we will use. These two are the lengthy syntaxes. So we will use this one. Then my question is, when we have already the first approach, then why second approach set class path? What the problem in the first approach? Observe first command. I have already set the class path. Okay, set Java-cp class path already set and executed. Now I am running this code without -cp. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Any number of times you want to execute, every time I have to specify -cp. Okay, now if I want to execute the same command repeatedly, I have to write -cp. Is it a lengthy process or not? That means this command will work for the entire command prompt or will work only for one command line? Only one command line. The problem in option 1 is by using -cp, we can set class path only for one command line. If we want to access, we must repeat same command in the next command line also. That means I am taking this, copy paste. First command line I have written. This is command line 1. Okay. If you want repeat in second command line, again I have to if I in third command line, if I access without -cp, we will get exception. Command line 3, here we will get exception. Okay. So what the solution to this problem? The solution to this problem is, bolo. Solution to this problem is, we must use set class path command. With the set class path option, we need to set class path only one time. Now tell me how to write. Command prompt set class path equal to below what write C:/test, and only one time we will write. And then open command prompt. Do I need -cp option or not required? Not required. Example. Second time, third time, you can directly use, no need to repeat. So how many times I have written this command? Only one time. Repeatedly I am using. Let me show this point here. Set class path equal to C:/test. And then directly run. Is it clear? Only one time I said. Then what is the problem with this approach? Why third option is there? Okay. We have option number 3. Why option number 3 is there? The problem with set command, it can set class path only for this command prompt window. Okay, it is temporary setting. It is temporary settings. Suppose I open new command prompt. Okay, here I'm typing Java space P1 dot exam. Will it work or not? No. Okay, where I set the class path in this first command prompt. Here I set the class path. Okay, but now I am trying to access in the new command prompt. Will work or will not work? Will not. Then what to do? In the new command prompt also I have to set the class path. Set class path equal to C:/test. And then you run this code, it will work. Understand? So we have to set the class path for every command prompt. We must set same class path settings for every new command prompt. Now, what the solution? Solution to this problem is below. What is the solution to this problem? We must set class path in system variables permanently as shown below. Okay, first up, right click on this PC. Hey, where is this PC? Here. Right click on this PC. Then click on properties. Okay. Then next click on advanced system settings. Then click on environment variable. Then environment variables we can do for user and also can do for system. So for whom I have to do? For user or for system? For system. If you do for user, it is available only for one user. If you do for system, it is available permanently for all users. So click on here. Do you have class path here? No. I have path already, but class path is not there. Path is different, class path is different. Click on new and then variable name. What is the name of the variable? Class path. Don't give space in between class and path. What is the value of this? C:/test. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Close this window. Open new command prompt. Open new command prompt. Then type Java's P1.exam. Output coming up? Right. So, what is the advantage of permanent settings? We can set how many times? One time. Even after system restart also, we can access. Right click on this PC. Next, click on properties. Come on, next, third point. Click advanced system settings. Next, click environment variables. Next, in system variables section, click what a new and then Enter. Variable name, class path, variable value, C:/text. Click OK, OK, OK. Close all windows. Open new command prompt. Run Java. Java space p1.exam. Will get out. That's it about package topic complete. Okay, this is all package related, and we need to discuss import and jar. Import and jar is simple. Tomorrow we will learn import and jar. Okay, you have to practice this program and all these commands. If you don't practice, then you are going to fail in the interview. Who? You. Package chapter is not a new topic, programming chapter. Package chapter is a command chapter, commands. Okay, the commands, Java, C, Java commands and class path commands you have to practice. Thank you. Tomorrow advance Venkatesh sir is there. Timing? Evening 4 o'clock. Yeah, join. Okay, new batch starting advance Java 4:30 p.m. Join this course. Don't waste time. Then who will attend core Java, man? You want stop a core Java, go to React.js? And then what a stupid question you are asking. Okay, thank you. When collection will start? When you want me to start? Shankar? I will start. When you want me to start, then I will start. Tomorrow shall I start? Shankar? Hmm. Don't ask just, okay? If you have a specific point, then only ask, okay? Just for non information sake, don't ask. I will confuse, no? If you have any particular point, you are in need of it immediately, then if you say, then I can plan. Okay, na?